Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to apply epoxy. If you've never applied epoxy before, it can seem intimidating, but it's easy once you get the hang of it. You'll need your epoxy, gloves, cups and popsicle sticks, and I'll link everything you need in the description box below. And you can follow these steps for both Alumilite and art resin epoxy. I like to use 5-ounce clear cups to mix my epoxy, and I like to put it in a squeezable, refillable bottle to make it easier to mix. The most important part about mixing epoxy is making sure that you have the 1:1 ratio, which means however much you pour for part A, you have to have the exact same amount of part B, or your epoxy won't fully harden, or it can be sticky or tacky even after spinning for 8 hours. So after 8 hours, if your epoxy still feels sticky or tacky, you can re-epoxy. Just make sure that you mix it exactly by the 1:1 ratio. One part of your epoxy will be thinner than the other, and that's what I like to mix in. And make sure you scrape the sides with your popsicle stick and the bottom to get every bit of epoxy from one cup into the other. Once you've combined your cups, just stir slowly in the same direction until your epoxy is clear. If you stir too quickly, it will create bubbles, but stirring slowly will prevent that. And now you're ready to apply onto your cup. So I just pour directly onto the cup, and with a gloved finger, I just start to smooth onto the cup. And you will have some drips, just put something disposable underneath. I usually just use a cookie sheet or pan from the Dollar Tree. So just continue this all the way around your cup and just use your finger to smooth it out all the way around, top to bottom. Epoxy is self-leveling, so it's important to put this on a level cup and smooth your finish top to bottom. To get the bottom of the cup smooth, I just take whatever is left and smooth it onto the bottom so it's not uneven. Whatever epoxy you decide to use will come with instructions. Make sure that you practice safety precautions by using gloves and working in a well-ventilated area. So thanks for watching. Like the video if it was helpful, subscribe for more tutorials, and until next time, thanks guys.